Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
So this topic is about the old school Jamaican men. If most of you didn't know, I was born in Jamaica. I was raised in New York. And I most mistakenly get mistaken for Dominican or Spanish. No, I'm Jamaican. So here's my qualm. I promise you, I have tried to date my own men. And I have, for the amount of years that I've been dating and married, I've tried to do Caribbean men. You know, I try to keep it within the race. But I promise you, between Panamanian, Trinidadian, and Jamaican, my Jamaican men, and don't come at me for this. This is just my opinion, and this is social media, and I'm going to give you my opinion. Y'all are the most horrible class and culture of men to deal with. I don't know where y'all get this attitude like y'all shit don't stink. And you for drop down your drawers and I'm supposed to pick them up. And I'm supposed to cook, fuck, suck, and clean everything for you. And you ain't supposed to do nothing but bring me a little couple of hours. And then on top of that, y'all is the most fucking cheapest men in the whole world to me. All y'all do is drink. Y'all barely work. Y'all drag the day. Y'all chat too much. Y'all sit down and chat about nothing. And now that there's TikTok or social media, it's like you go to that because you don't want to deal with your problems. The old school ones. Now, don't get me wrong. There's some good ones, but with the majority of Jamaican men, baby, if you see them coming, run the other fucking way. The only thing they got is some good buddy. That's all they got. And because they got that, they think that they're gonna make you go dumb, blind, and deaf and retarded. Run. All the biracial women that want to come to Jamaica and rent a dread, oh, don't worry. When they get their green card, you're going to be like, I want all my money back. And they're going to be like, bitch, I gave you this good buddy. I even probably gave you some biracial kids. What you mad for? They are very deceitful. They're very lazy. They're very lackadaisical. And they're very strong-minded. It's either their way or the highway. So do yourself a favor. Girl, don't date a Jamaican man because they will use and abuse you. Some of them are very abusive. Some of them are alcoholics. And like I said, when they say, baby, wait, and then the second one on the list, the Americans, they lazy. And then they don't even have nothing. And the dicks ain't even good. So we all fucked up at this point in time. I guess it'll be the roads.
Big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Big up. Well, as them say, free world, free speech. Everybody have their mouth, everybody free for talk, everybody have them different mindset of saying things, and you know, and her perspective, that's the way how she feel, that's the way how the experience that she do got, and you know. But just one thing I would love to say to her, and she's not the first female who's going to say this about Jamaican men, based on the fact where we have some men who do some things a lot of times, you understand, and use them and play them and yeah, some yard man. But when you do go on the scale and you do check, you will find that every parts in the world from different nations, you find men who do the same thing. But you know, when you come on to Jamaican, it's totally different, you understand? Because when they word the name Jamaica, even though we look and we're small, so one son is a Jamaican, it's like a big thing. Jamaican men is like a brand. You get what I'm saying? So for men, Jamaican man is a brand. Just like how you go to the store and you buy Puma, you buy Nike, you understand, you have a look of fake knockoff Fubu over there, so yeah, you get what me I say? So Jamaican man need a stand out like the brand. Not disrespecting any other nations, but I'm just telling the truth, reality. Jamaica man are like the brand. So that's why you find when then things that happen, Jamaica man do get the bash. Which we have a lot of Jamaican men who do messed up for real and do some crazy things and do turn women mind against Jamaican men, and that is why you find this lady got these things to say. But one thing I want to say, my lady, is that there's a lot of good Jamaican men out there. See, a lot. Because a lot of women can come tell you and brag and boast about their men. And for some women, they can't do the same. Because
when it comes to Jamaicans living all around the world, shipping anything to Jamaica, Islandwide Express is the shipper of choice. We are the shipper of choice for NEWLINK production. NEWLINK production and Islandwide Express go way back. Many of you know us because of NEWLINK production, or you've seen us on TV. Islandwide Express is the best when it comes to shipping packages for Jamaicans back to Jamaica from anywhere around the world, whether you're in US, Canada, Bermuda, Cayman Islands, or even England. Ship anything from the comfort of your living room, from your smartphone, back to Jamaica. Go ahead, do it. Ship Islandwide Express.
as I do, you know, I'm a vlogger, over thousands of fans, thousands of people watch me and things. And a lot of times, people from different countries, you understand, would reach out to me, different Caribbean countries in USA, in Canada, England, and reach out to me, who are citizens I'm talking about, not immigrant, you understand? And are telling me their life and story, and they are telling me about men who hurt them and play them and this. And honestly, I'm not talking about Jamaican men, you know, which I have a lot of people who tell me about Jamaican men who use them and play them, you know, and wish man do link me same way and tell me how man use them and play them. So, you know, as I'm saying, if it's for you personally and you do feel this way, you can talk for yourself, but it's not like you really can tell people, so look, you know, all Jamaican men are good, which I did do say not all, you understand? I hear when I say not all, but you know, upon a level, you have to just leave people some time to make their choices and search, because you can't tell this person don't do it Jamaica man and then she go find a man from over there, so from Africa, a man from over Trinidad, a man from over USA, Canada. Zine, when are the worst one she ever experienced, really and truly. So for me personally, I think you have a lot to do with people personality, the way them grow up, the way how them, you know what I mean, the way how them do things, you know. Me just feel say it's all about person mentality. Because if a person have that mentality, say I'm going to play, no matter where you could be Jamaican or where you come from, isn't it? And you say only thing Jamaican men got is this big thing to give. And not every Jamaican man maybe do carry them big thing in the reality. Because some woman will go tell us, say, yo, in Jamaica man, something, look at it. Really, and someone will go say in Jamaica man thing good, it big. While someone will say, yo, the man have a big one, but him don't know if he use it. You know what I mean? It do happen. See, it do happen. So, you know, a reality of life, man. Things just, you know, which, as me say, a lot of yard man do make things bad for someone because they go abroad and they really play a fool of themselves. See me I say? Them man, not even say abroad, even a yard too. Them play a fool of themselves and do certain things. Them sell out them soul, sell out them country, them bow to certain things and them stoop to certain things and them fool. But to idiot. Some of them man they down the head. A lot of real man out there would have want a chance and opportunity. Them not get it. But I can tell you this lady, and for any ladies overseas, there are good Jamaican men out there. At Jamaica right now. Whole heap of good man. But sometimes, you know, I will look fine now. See? Because sometimes when I touch down. And this is why I tell her say, a lot of women out there, if you notice when a lot of these white ladies come to Jamaica, I see them with some man sometime. Me attack or when me sick. I'm from a part where tourists normally come with people. And sometimes I see some woman, I see them with some man, some raga, they all Rasta man, see? With some, not just a Rasta, I'm not, no Rasta feel offended, right? Some man will have locks, not tip on their head, not Rasta. Sorry for that. Because people just thin skin nowadays, right? Some man with not tip on their head. Where some can in their hand, where big so from 90, you know, long, see? And some foot with some dirty heel back pan it. You know what I mean? Not disrespecting body, but shoot when me say personally, I may attack. This is not for pretty. See? And you see some woman with them and that say, wait, this a woman, look how nice man out there and she come choose this one. See? But you know why them choose them on there sometime? Because what they are looking for, they are not looking for the nice looks, the pretty looks, the young boy, hot boy style. No, them are look for love and them are look for something different, my people. You get me? But some of you all come now, and what you are looking for, you are looking for the looks, the niceness, the cuteness. I want to do get play the youngness. I heard now, when I say Jamaica men this and that. But I want to choose. Because if you don't got any other country, you don't do the same thing. You don't do with failing at the same trap. So, you can't just blame Jamaican men when it comes on to certain things, man. Sometimes, you know, it's just people. You get me? It's just people. So ladies, me would telling us, say, yo, no good Jamaica. You have whole heap of good Jamaica man out there. Plenty, hundreds. See? Thousands. Good one out there. Who are weird. Who just want to find somebody. You get me? I say, same for the woman them too. You have good woman, Jamaican woman out there. Like man, not Jamaica man that say, yo, Jamaica woman not good them this and that. But look at, there's good Jamaica woman out there. 300 better than a lot of these women over so. You see me I say? So it's just people on a perspective level, personally, you get me I say, and how them think, how them feel. And this is what I'm saying, you know. The other day I was talking to somebody, my people, and it was like this person is saying, like, you know, they for them to give up themselves, like them have to date to a man, like them have to talk and go and date for like 3 months before she can open up and give the pumps. You get me? And when I say yo, on a real level, I believe in that, you know. You get me? I tell her straight up, say yo, I believe in that, you know. You see me? And when I say longest me go, you know, truthfully people a week. If me say me a hunt and me a look a woman, long me go, because I say you're going now. Me can go there for 3 months and you play me out for the 3 months, you get me I say. And you just play me out, you don't want me. And if you give me it in a week or within a 3 days or something, you take 3 months. And the same thing I go give me. If me want for the day and I play you all along and decide for use just to get there. Me I go wait for you 3 months till me get you and then me do what I want to do with you. So come on, does it make sense? Eh? For me people personally, I just think it's about just feelings and you know, because if you do get hurt, you go get hurt, you know. You know what I mean? Because you can't read people by that mentality now in these days. So as I say, for me know a lot of people now go think or agree with what I say, but this is how me feel, and that's why I say, first of all, free world, free speech, everybody think it the way them think it. But this is my views and my thoughts towards these things. You get what I'm saying, my people? So, that's reality. Alright now, you know. But big up on yourself, you don't know the thing about and just stay safe and just go and do the right thing. You get me? I say, and big up to the real Jamaican man them out there. And the real men them out there for the Caribbean. You see me? I say, who are do the right thing? You get me? I say, and the real man them, you know, and the real woman them. Big up on yourself, you see it? Because the fake one them, wanna make bad things for real one them. So, you don't know that part there. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on Instagram, please. And Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official. Follow it, my people. Please follow the IG. Follow the Twitter, my people. Go over there. Just type in NEWLINK Production Official and follow the thing, my people. Support the thing because support the thing. Peace out.